So the plan in the pre-market on Netflix, our number one earning plays, no go under 1240. Bearish bias, MTF resistance above. So my bias was bearish to short Netflix. I also told the traders yesterday that if Netflix breaks under the yesterday's lows, it's going to be a short. As soon as the market opened, I saw the rejection, I saw pre-market break right away at 9:30, you hit it short. I told the traders if 1200 breaks down today, we will get a big flush. It did not break the 1200, but we still got a decent push into the MTFs. And it's high watch on the day twos, because if it flushes Monday, it will be a short under 50-55 Ripster MTF club. You can see that night at 9:31, I told the traders to short it. MTF breakdown was our next target. When it started to bounce, I told the traders to reduce the position and hit the short at 512s. And you see it pushed to the 512s and rejected. The 1200 puts on the bounce, they went 100%. 1200 was target again. It tried to push all day, failed. You could reshort here again, pushed, failed again in same zone. This is the rejection. That's why we were using 1221 as our stops and now really reclaimed the 1221. But the main trade was this one in the morning. Many traders did really good on this. Indy, his puts went from $9 to $24. He made almost 150% and he did good. He was done for the day in the morning. And I told him to watch the yesterday's break of lows, and immediately after that it flushed $20-30. So the trading is more about statistics and probability. You know that if this happens, this could happen. The probability of something happening on a certain trigger point is what helps you trade these setups with high confidence. So I know that if Netflix is going to break down the yesterday's low, stay under that, it's going to be a flush. And that's what I told the traders in the community. That's how so many traders got 100%, 200% trades on Netflix. So it was a beautiful trade in the community. Some of the other earning plays we had in the community today, Triple M was pretty solid. Beautiful move on Triple M. Traders literally made 300% on those put options. Triple M, 52-week high, bullish bias to long, no go under 162.50. So it was one of our top plays. I usually highlight it as a red. As soon as I see this breaking down, I tell my traders it's not a long, it's a short. Just watch the pops and short it. My traders are already in the puts. As soon as the clouds break, they're already buying the puts. So many traders are using the system to change their lives, be consistent, and not running around for alert services to spoon feed them. When I mentioned the short, the traders are already short. They're already up 50% on the puts. So anyways, once the MTF flush broke, I told them to move the stops lower. The target I gave was 155. We hit the 155. Those puts went 100%. We covered some at the lower MTF, 155, 153. I told the traders continue to hold the Triple M as long as the clouds hold. And the Triple M went on to hit to 150 psychological level. So that was almost $9 per share trade and over 300 to 400% trade on the puts. Even if you risked $500, you made $2,000. That's kind of the trade you want to do on the lot of options. Earning season is where we kill it. So you need to focus on earning season. Trade like Triple M will make your whole week, maybe whole month. The American Express, double MTF short. Exceeds profit expectation and robust spending. I told the traders no long under 318, trade versus MTF. Right at the open, under the MTF, you short it to the MTF. MTF magnet setup. You can short it under 305. Our target is 302. This is where you cover most of your shorts. And then we actually closed it on the rest of the runners on the bounce, and it was choppy call. So this was the trade, easy trade, pre-market planning, guidance, no hindsight, no BS. I already showed you how the traders are killing it.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.